Hi, my name is Frank Bokkers. I'm the export manager of Doe Pharma. Doe Pharma is the largest manufacturer of veterinary medicines in Holland. I'm very glad to be here in Kurdistan. We have an exclusive distributor here in Kurdistan and Iraq. It's Modern Veterinary Solutions, owned by 3 veterinarians. So the knowledge is in the company, and we are very happy to have a cooperation with Modern Veterinary Solutions. They have an office in Iraq, in Babil and Baghdad. Doe Pharma, we are the largest manufacturer, like I just said, of veterinary medicines in Holland. And we have the whole range of medicines for poultry, for cattle, sheep, goat, everything. So whatever you need, you can get it from our company. We have a high quality product that is sold everywhere in Europe. So the same high quality, you can get it now in Iraq. And it's a nice exhibition. Here we have the opportunity to show the products to the veterinarians and to the end users. So it's good for us to be here and to have the opportunity to promote our products.